In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align paragraph in WPS Office Writer Mobile. Clean alignment instantly makes your document easier to read on mobile. Here's how to do it in the WPS Office app, step by step. Start by opening your document in the WPS Office app. Go to the paragraph you want to format. To tell the app exactly what to align, select the text first. Press and hold on a word to bring up the selection handles. Then drag the handles until the entire paragraph is highlighted. If you only need to align a single paragraph, placing the cursor anywhere inside that paragraph also works because alignment is a paragraph level setting. Next, look to the toolbar along the bottom of your screen and tap the Tools or Edit button. Depending on your version or theme, it may appear as a wrench or a pencil icon. This opens a panel of formatting controls. Inside that panel, go to the Home or Paragraph section. These are the areas that hold text formatting features. Once you're there, find the alignment option. It usually looks like several horizontal lines stacked in different patterns. When you tap alignment, you'll see 4 choices. Left align is the default for most documents and keeps the left edge straight, while the right edge is ragged, which is ideal for body text and helps long passages stay easy to scan. Center align places each line in the middle, which is great for titles and short headings, but it's harder to read in long paragraphs. Right align creates a clean right edge and is helpful for items like dates, signatures, or side notes. Justify spreads words so both the left and right sides line up evenly, giving a polished column look. It works well for multi-column layouts, but on narrow screens it can create uneven spacing, so give it a quick read to be sure it still feels natural. As soon as you choose an alignment, your paragraph updates immediately. If you want to apply the same setting to multiple paragraphs at once, simply expand your selection to include them before choosing the alignment. If nothing seems to change, double check that your selection includes the text you intended, or place the cursor inside the correct paragraph and try again. That's all you need to align text on mobile. Open your document, select your paragraph, go to Tools or Edit at the bottom, enter the Home or Paragraph section, tap Alignment, and pick the style that best serves your content. With these options, you can quickly give any document in WPS Office Writer Mobile a clean, consistent, and professional look.